Meteorologist Matthew East here with you in the Weather on the Ones Forecast Center. This is the Thursday, February 18th edition of the Carolina Weather Video here. As mentioned, we have sort of entered a brief respite from the active storm track here for the remainder of this week, and gradually getting a little milder as well. We'll see some above average temperatures actually briefly as we go through the upcoming weekend before we get back into a cold and I think stormy pattern beginning next week. So let's talk about temperatures this morning. It's pretty cold. A lot of us down into the 20s across our region this morning. And it's even been below freezing again along the coast of the Carolinas to start off the day. Pretty good pocket of chilly air in the northern plain states. That's the coldest spot in the country this morning in the western Great Lakes region. And we'll go to, let's actually get the wrong chart first. Let's go out here. There's the chart for today. 6C run of the GFS, 1 o'clock this afternoon. And it will still be a little breezy today. Still enough energy around aloft, especially, to mix down some of these winds to the surface. And that'll result in maybe some wind gusts 20 miles an hour or so today. Not a huge deal, but still a little breezy. Sunshine, a little milder today, about 5 degrees or so milder today than yesterday. Most of us in the mid-40s, maybe some upper 40s in some spots. We go to the day tomorrow. Again, a lot of sunshine. Again, milder. Some low 50s for highs tomorrow. And then over the weekend here, this is a look at Saturday. I think Saturday we'll call it a partly sunny sky and mid to upper 50s Saturday, and Sunday maybe some low 60s in a couple spots, certainly mid to upper 60s it appears. Now here's the next storm system. The exact track of it's still in question, but it looks like we can pretty confidently say that's going to be a rain event here across the Carolinas as that system pulls through, and I think most of the rain with the system will be Monday. So we've been highlighting for a while Monday the best chance for rain. It looks like that still will be the case. But notice, big discharge of cold air behind it, and we will be back into a colder pattern next week. Now, the modeling is all over the place with what happens later on next week. Let me show you the 6Z run of the actually, this is the 0Z run of the GFS for Friday morning next week. You have some light snow moving across the region, but check out what the 18Z run did yesterday. Huge winter storm next Friday on that 18Z run of the GFS. Of course, the 0Z run handles things completely differently, but I think we have to watch that period toward the end of next week for the possibility of a significant system that could bring us anything from rain to winter precip. We'll see, but at the end of next week, maybe another significant system. And as we look down the line, the storm track stays active. This is March 2nd. Storm system moving through. We go out to March 5th. Storm system off to our south, cold air around, so I do think we're headed into that cold and stormy pattern beginning next week. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great Thursday, and God bless.